Types of white flowers. White flowers are a great way to accent a garden, bouquet or banquet hall. They're also perfect for traditional weddings. There are dozens of white flowers to choose from. When gardening, take note of bloom seasons, upkeep, durability and how well suited they are for your environment. Sweet pea. Sweet pea flowers are popular due to their butterfly-like flowers and soft, velvety petals. If gardening, you can also opt for the climbing sweet pea. In mild climates, plant in fall. In colder climates, wait until late spring. Water lily. If you own a pond, the white water lily can make a wonderful accent. Place your water lily in a pot with heavy garden soil that won't float, and then lower the pot into your pond. Submerge it at least 12 to 18 centimeters below the surface. Calla lily. The white calla lily is a large, elegant flower on a long stem and is a popular wedding flower. When gardening, plant the bulbs, and then water frequently, keeping an even moisture. Hollyhocks. Hollyhocks are large, saucer-shaped flowers, perfect for gardens and in bouquets. The hardy flowers will grow in most of the United States, on stalks that can reach up to 8 feet. Strawflower. Strawflowers are bright, bold flowers, which look like a smaller and softer version of the sunflower. They are best suited for warm areas, particularly the southern states. Strawflowers are popular in dried floral arrangements,